like
I caught the sunrise this morning.
they're unreal. Swimming laps with everything, clipping, and then they got there's a whole workout room and everything. All right, Pops, love you. Excited to see you here, and you're gonna just love it. All right. Like it goes like, and then you think about sound that would like go like. That's like the coolest way to like show anything. You'd be like, yo, you're like you're checking it out, like a bot. You know what I'm saying?
So it doesn't would it work with
But I'm gonna record this. See, this is crazy.
Oh my god.
We don't invite too many people, right? But you know, there's just gonna be very. There's a bunch of us out there. We don't want to do that. This is, you know, remember, we only got this pin out there right now. We haven't got the amazing artificial intelligence on planet Earth.
Honestly, it's my kids. It's a legacy I leave behind for my wife.
On the beach right now.
You know, for my kids.
Anybody that wants to give all of their love to you deserves it. Feel this. All these beautiful people here. What? That doesn't even look real. Oh, this is awesome now. We're just cheering. We just got engaged. Chills. It's so cool. Oh, she's crying. Everybody's like, I pray that you give every single person to feel these vibes. Watching this once or twice.